Do you want a Tesla car? Now you will have to pay more. It has been reported that all Tesla cars have increased in cost between 5 and 10%, which is a considerable amount. Why, even though they have fewer parts, are Tesla cars so expensive? In this video, we'll explain why this is so. But first, please like and subscribe to this channel, and then sit back and relax. Tesla Incorporated. Entrepreneurial thinker Elon Musk is well known and respected for challenging the auto industry and producing his all-electric car. Initially, Tesla's main competitors either stayed loyal to the internal combustion engine or introduced models that mixed gasoline with batteries through hybrid vehicles. But now longtime automakers like Toyota, Ford, and General Motors have launched or have plans to launch fully electric cars that they hope will compete with Tesla models. And not all of them will be ultra-luxury tours. Even Tesla has introduced new models that are relatively affordable. One of the reasons traditional car companies were reluctant to produce electric vehicles, EVs, was that the costs were so high that the cars were too expensive to afford today. The first Tesla cars made were launched at high prices, and Tesla still produces its flagship 2020 Model S sedan at a base price of $74,990, while the Model X starts at $79,990, but the 2021 Model 3 starts at less than $40,000. While Elon Musk is always seen active on Twitter, even going so far as to challenge Russian President Vladimir Putin to a fight, he hasn't commented on this price change. Also, Tesla has not offered any comments so far. This price change throughout its entire line of electric vehicles has meant that its cheapest car, the Model 3 rear-wheel drive, now has a starting cost of $46,990, while the most expensive, the Model X Tri-Motor, went from a cost of $126,490 to $138,990, having an increase of $12,500. This would be the second price increase that Tesla has implemented in less than a week. A few days ago, it increased the cost of some high-end models. However, this increase was not as considerable as it is now, which includes its entire line of cars. Now let's highlight the Tesla cars' prices to show you how extremely expensive they're, even though they have fewer parts. According to data from The Verge, here are the price changes in Tesla cars. Model 3 rear-wheel drive is from $44,990 to $46,990. Model 3 long range is from $51,990 to $54,490. Model 3 performance is from $58,990 to $61,990. Model Y long range is from $59,990 to $62,990. Model Y performance is from $64,990 to $67,990. Model S dual motor is from $94,990 to $99,990. Model S Tri-Motor is from $129,990 to $135,990. Model X dual motor is from $104,990 to $114,990, and Model X Tri-Motor is from $126,490 to $138,990. Why the price increase? As we mentioned, neither Musk nor Tesla has commented on this change. However, a few days ago, the Tesla CEO wrote a tweet on Twitter that Tesla and SpaceX are seeing recent inflation pressure in logistics and materials. And the cause for this may be directly due to the conflict between Russia and Ukraine, which has affected the price of some important materials in the production of electric cars, such as steel and nickel, among others, as well as food in different countries. Perhaps this is one of the reasons why Elon Musk decided to challenge Vladimir Putin to a fight. The company may not make announcements about the price increase, which could remain so until the market and the supply line are regulated again. But we got some reasons Tesla cars are so expensive, and the offer and demand of Tesla cars. Tesla cars are clearly in demand. Every month, the company seems to set new sales records, but despite the demand, there is a production bottleneck, creating an ever-growing waiting list for backup vehicles. Unlike long-established car companies, Tesla doesn't have the manufacturing capacity to meet all of today's demands at once. Since demand exceeds the current supply, basic economics implies that the price would be bid. Tesla appears to be restricting production, not demand. The green energy movement partially drives demand. Because Tesla cars are fully electric, they don't consume gasoline that emits greenhouse gases, and they don't directly produce carbon dioxide. However, it remains true that carbon dioxide is a byproduct of the electrical generation needed to charge car batteries. Demand is also fueled by Tesla's sleek modern design and high-tech driver interface and impressive all-digital touchscreen panel. Tesla cars are high performance. Model S can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.3 seconds. The Model S is capable of cruising over 400 miles on a full charge, and recharging is an easy task. Adding to all of this is the fact that electric cars are nearly silent while driving, a highly desirable feature for many. The Tesla Model X is a more family-friendly SUV that can comfortably accommodate 7 passengers. By extending its product line, Tesla is sure to increase demand for its cars while they're expensive. The question remains whether it can develop enough capacity to produce such vehicles in a short time. To that end, Tesla has completed phase 1 of its giant Gigafactory in the Nevada desert, allowing the company to ramp up production of its cars and the battery packs needed to power them. About a third of the factory was operational as of early 2021. About 30% up as of June 2020, Tesla Gigafactory Homes has approximately 5.3 million square feet of multi-story operating space. When completed, Tesla hopes his factory will be the largest building in the world. The battery technology of Tesla cars is expensive. Batteries to store and use electrical energy are the most expensive component of Tesla cars. One of the management's key goals is to reduce battery costs per kilowatt-hour for its cars, and the company has made significant progress toward that goal. According to Forbes, Tesla's battery costs fell from about $230 per kilowatt-hour in 2016 to $127 in 2019. Due to the company's higher volumes, Tesla's battery costs are about 20% lower than the industry average. There is a lot of research and development in battery technology, and we expect the cost of battery energy storage to compete with the cost of gasoline or other fossil fuels before long. How Tesla and the electric vehicle market are changing. The electric vehicle market is changing rapidly, with Tesla at the forefront. As of mid-2020, the average sticker price for an electric vehicle was $19,000 higher than the average for a gas-powered car. Small-scale production just costs more. But the gap begins to close. Tesla's 2021 Model 3 starts at $37,900, while the base price of the Model S is $69,420, and the Model X is $79,900. This mirrors Musk's initial claim that his company had to start a luxury offering to establish itself before moving up to include reasonably and more affordable models. For comparison, a gas-powered Mini Cooper starts at about $22,400, and the electric model starts at $29,900 if you qualify for the $7,500 electric vehicle tax credit. That's a big wash. The federal tax credit of about $7,500 for electric and hybrid vehicles may help some EV buyers, but this credit diminishes gradually as sales increase. Above all, Tesla cars are expensive, but that hasn't stopped people from queuing to buy them. One of the reasons the price is so high is that demand currently outstrips supply. It will certainly help to expand production capacity and build new factories at reasonable prices. The other main reason for the high price of Tesla car stickers is the high cost of the electric battery packs that provide power to these vehicles. While the cost of battery technology and its energy efficiency have improved in recent years, more research and development are needed to create a truly affordable electric car. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, the subscription button, and the notification bell to get notified when new videos are uploaded from this channel. Please share your thoughts about why are Tesla cars so expensive even though they have fewer parts in the comment section below. Thank you.